What's up, everybody? I'm Jay, DCA Adventure, back again with another video, and today we are going to talk about Bitcoin. Are we in a bull market or are we not? Guys, if you like our content, please smash that like button, subscribe to us, hit that bell for notification. This is not financial advice. Trading is very risky, very easy to make money, very easy to lose all of it. So definitely trade at your own risk. If you guys want access to the DCA trading script, you need to join the Patreon group, join my tier Trading with a View. By doing so, you will get access to the DCA trading script, the private group inside the Discord, where we are posting market signals, general market talk, and you will also have access to AstroPark's trading bots. They're trading altcoins and Bitcoin, Ethereum. Guys, shout out dogelord.com, best cryptocurrency apparel. Go check him out. Link for him will be in the description. Seriously, the highest quality crypto stuff you can get, and you can become an affiliate now. So, go sign up, be an affiliate, make some money sharing the link. Helps everybody out. It's a win-win. Also, guys, HyperTrader, you need to go check them out. Go check them guys out. Trade all my altcoins over there. They have a really great trading terminal. Link for those guys will be in the description. I also trade on Phemex and Bybit. I do have promotion with Bybit right now. You will get more of a deposit bonus by using my link. So definitely get in there, do that. I appreciate it. It helps me big time. And also got to shout out my buddy Helpful Crypto Miner. He has a new Discord. And if you guys are looking for faucets, you're looking for exchanges, you're looking for mining pools, you're looking for mining equipment, this is a one-stop shop Discord. So you guys need to go over there. I'll see if I can get the link in the description for the video. If not, I will post it in the comments. So check the comment right now. I'll be posting it. This is his Discord, and like I said, you can go in here and you can find pretty much anything that you need. He's got Red Panda Mining in here. He's got DCA in here, Doge Lord, Savage Mine, The Family Mine, Crypto Mentors, Not Your Normal Miner, Brandon Coin, Nerd Gear, Watt Pool. He's got all kinds of stuff. Here's just a general chat. He's got the tip bot in there. He's got 3D printing stuff, books, games. Here's the miners, different miners, all kinds of different mining stuff. Here's all the exchanges. And by using any of these exchanges, guys, there are perks to them. So go in here and check him out. Like I said, he has any and everything. Really cool dude. And he helps DCA out a lot. He helps us over there a lot. So we really appreciate you, buddy. And also, guys, Crypto Mentors, AstroPark and I, Discord that we run together, it is open free until the end of the year. We moved it till the end of the year. So you can join our Discord and you will be able to see every channel, the signal channel, the bot channel, the script channel. You guys will get to see everything. And if you guys are interested in getting a custom made, tailored to your trading style indicator or trading tools, come see us over at Crypto Mentors. We can help you out. We can code on Pine Editor over on TradingView and hook you up with a sweet custom personal trading tool or trading script, I guess you could say. So go over there. Seriously, anything, any kind of indicators that you guys like to use all the time, just get with us. We can make you one script where you can just turn on the script and boom, there you have your indicators. You don't have to turn it on and set up everything, if you don't save your charts and stuff like I do. We'll just jump over here to the Crypto Mentors Discord, and I'll just show you what we're talking about here. The Bitcoin TA, Ethereum TA, the pricing, premium chat, scalp signals, swing signals, all these are open for the public, for all of you guys to see. We are going to be changing some stuff around in the Discord. So we decided that we should probably open it up, and you guys can give us what you think should be changed or what you would like to see, type of thing, and try before you buy. So we're going to be changing pricing around a little bit. I think we're gonna drop the prices And we're gonna get some more bots on here, I do believe too. But here are the bots in the Crypto Mentors Discord. You got the Renko strategy. There's a few different ones of those. You got Crypto Swing Trading, Sniper Scalper, one of my favorites. My absolute favorite is the Astro Park bot, the Algo, that he's running on it. Super awesome. VWAP Cross Signals, Money Flow, 15-minute strategy, Forex strategy, and then just a regular bot. So jump over here, join. You can look at any of the scripts. We have a list posted with all the scripts. You see anything that catches your eye, you want to try it out, holler at us. We will turn it on and give you a free trial. We'll let you trade with it for a week or so, and you know, if you like it, then you can enter in a premium plan with us. So that being said, guys, what is going on with Bitcoin? Are we in a bull market, or are we not in a bull market? Is the PayPal news, is that what's gonna spark this whole thing? I don't know. I don't know. Why don't you leave in the comments and tell me if you think we are gonna have a bull market or not. One thing I will say, you know, with PayPal joining the crypto realm, you know, there's 100 million people that use PayPal. So PayPal is going to have to buy Bitcoin in order to add liquidity to, you know, to their app, to their Giddy up there, so people can go to PayPal and purchase Bitcoin. And you know, I don't think that's going to make it jump up there and take off, because you know, PayPal is probably buying over the counter. So I wouldn't expect to see, you know, big volume come into exchanges from PayPal. But I do think with 100 million people that use PayPal, they're going to need a lot of Bitcoin. And that's just 100 million people that are going to know about it now. They're going to, you know, they're going to get interested in cryptocurrency. And what is it? If PayPal is doing it, then it obviously must be something decent, something good. Adoption is coming. It's catching on quickly. Not quick enough for my liking, but it's happening, guys, and it's exciting. I think we're going to see all-time highs again very soon, but at the same time, you guys, we got to be careful. We got to be reading the chart, and we gotta, you know, what the chart says is what we gotta respect. We're gonna go over a couple things that we've seen in the chart, but I want to go back here to the DCA Discord real quick and show you guys what was posted in the Patreon group back on, let's see, what was it, 10/13/2020. Look what happened the last time the 20-day moving average crossed the 50-day moving average. We are priming for liftoff. I posted this in here. I'll go on the chart here in a second and show you a little bit more of these moving averages and where they crossed and how much we went up. But you can see on the daily chart here, we crossed, we shot up pretty good. We're crossing now. We already crossed a day or so ago, and Bitcoin took off. So if you're in the Patreon group, you would have been ready. I do not long so much when I'm leverage trading. I like to just let, you know, the asset go up naturally, make money for me, and then I try to hammer down on the short opportunity. So I'm making money both ways, but I only have to risk one side of the fence. You picking up what I'm putting down there? That, you know, it's way easier to just short instead of having to worry about catching along and then it dumping. Although in a bull market, in an uptrend on a higher time frame, it is easier to long. And obviously when we are in a downtrend, we're looking for shorts. But we're going to click back here to the chart, jump over here to the chart here, and show you guys a few things that I'm looking at. So, first off, first thing I'm noticing right now on the chart, you guys, is a double top. Now I'm going to draw a line over here. We did top out right here at 13,229-ish, right around in that area. You can see here, boom, we had a top, then another one right here. This is something to keep your eye on. Keep watching. This run up's a little bit different than previous over here to the $20,000 run up. You know, because when we ran up to $20,000, there was no time. Dang it. There was no time for Bitcoin to rest and to take a breather. So when we got up there, we came right back down. We went into a bear market right after all-time high. And you can see we did cross here. 21-day moving average. My purple line crossed the 50-day moving average. We did get the big run up to 20,000. And we have a strategy I've showed you guys many of times on how we would trade this. You can see back here when it did cross back in August. It was right around August 6th, 2017. It followed that 21 moving average all the way up to 20,000. It only dipped below twice, and the 50-day pretty much acted as support and validated. The continuation happened, and we did go up. Now, when we went into the bear market, we did get underneath that 21 moving average and that 50-day moving average, and it acted as pretty heavy resistance there, as you guys can see. We did get a couple crosses, some little ones here and there, but we did not get, you know, on a daily chart, these look small, but these are actually decent sized moves. So we did get a nice run there. We got a nice jump there, nice jump here. But back here, we crossed. We went from $4,000 all the way up to almost $14,000, right around $13,800, $13,900. We crossed again here. That was down here around 7,300, and we went all the way up to 10,600, right around, pretty close to. Got another cross down here, right around 7,200, and we popped up to 10,400 area. Crossed again here, guys, and we were right around the $9,300, and jumped us up there to 12,500. So we did get the cross back here. I posted it 10/13, so it was right around in here. So, you know, a while ago, it was enough time for the Patreons and for everybody to, you know, get their personal bag filled up or get their trades put in. If you would have longed this, you made a hell of a gain. My good buddy Nefarious Technology guy cashed out with crazy profits yesterday, so congratulations, brother. Super excited for you. Always get very happy and excited Nancy when I see my friends posting stupid dumb big gains like he did. So kudos to you, buddy. That's awesome. So just because there's a double top doesn't mean that it's gonna stop here and reject. It's just something that you should be aware of, because it could happen. But this rise has been a lot slower than some of these other pumps, like this pump up here to almost 14,000. Again, this went straight up pretty much. It had no time to build a base and build some support. It just, the floor fell out from underneath of it, and we plummeted. But this is different, guys. This feels different. We've had it's nice and slow, consistent, stair-stepping our way up, making the higher highs. You know, I really think that we're establishing a nice base here for Bitcoin. I think as long as everything stays the way it is, we could potentially see all-time highs again. Looking at the chart, you guys, once we break the 13,800 area, there's nothing to really stop us from going parabolic and getting back to all-time highs and even higher. So just be aware of this. There is a double top right now. If we can get past it and get up above it, you know, good deal. I would like to see the 13,300 area turn into support for us. If we do take a break and we take a little breather, be looking for the 12,200 area right in there for a good little retest. A decent little area of support right there. If that should break, then, you know, guys, you know how we're trading. We're looking at that 21 and 50 right around 11,300, and then back down here at almost 11,000 even. So there's multiple different things to be watching here. I'm going to show you another thing real quick. I'm going to take the moving averages off. It's ugly. It is ugly, but it is there, guys. It is there, and it's been a while since I've seen one of these happen. And this is I would say the biggest one I've seen on a daily chart as far as Bitcoin goes. But this is an inverse head and shoulders, and I've showed many times on how we measure these, how you can do a measurement and get a guesstimation of how high we're gonna go. You know, we could say the neckline's here, we could say the neckline's here. For this one, we'll just say the neckline's right there. Let's get us a mark there, there, and we're gonna put it right on top of the run. So just by doing the measurement, it's putting us right back at $20,000. Okay. If we move the neckline up here, where you could argue that this could be the neckline as well, we can pull a measure from there and see what it's going to give us, what kind of guesstimation, how close. So I'll move this one out of the way. Go up on top, boom. So right around the $22,000 area. Totally possible that happens. I'm going to be very cautious right now. You have everybody and their brother screaming Bitcoin bull run, and when it gets like that, guys, that's time to have your head screwed on straight and be ready, because this is when they're gonna rip the floor out from underneath you and you're gonna get slaughtered. We don't want that to happen to you, so you guys got to be set up with stop losses. There's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be using one at all. It's part of having a good trading plan. But $22,000 is absolutely feasible. I think it'll happen. Like I said, though, I do expect that we do take a breather and maybe head back down to, you know, 11,300 or something like that, right around in there. Sorry, my phone's going off. But this is just some bullish things I've been looking at here on the chart. You guys should be aware of. We do have a pretty big area of resistance, and remember, guys, we're looking at this as an area. Don't just put one line on your resistance and just think that, you know, that's it, because resistance and support are measured in areas. So if we were to draw a box here for resistance, this is kind of what we're looking like right in here, and we've already broke the first part of it. Nice healthy bullish retest of support right around the 12,200 area would be very good in my opinion. I'd like to see that happen. I'd like to see it validate and then continuation on. But we need to break that $13,800 to keep on going. That's the area right now to beat. Draw this box on here, guys. We want to see Bitcoin validate support, and it's got to happen soon. We can't just keep going up. That's unhealthy. That's not natural, and we will probably reject just as fast coming down as we did going up. So, you know, we either want to see Bitcoin come down, maybe hit this line a couple times of support, then take off, or we want to see it come up, come back down, hit this support, validate it, then take off. If it doesn't do either of these two things, then you need to be very vigilant. Pull that 21-day moving average up. Pull that 50-day moving average up. They're one of the most important. You can even use a 20 moving average. It's a little bit faster. It's pretty close to the 21, but it is slightly different. But you can use either or. I like using the 21 and 50. But seriously, get them pulled up on your chart. Be watching them, especially if we come back down and retest them. Those will be the areas that will probably reject off. That would be a perfect area for a long position, not financial advice. I myself right now am not trading. I'm sitting on my hands. If at all, if I do anything, it's going to be taking a short position. But this candle looks like it's got a lot of volume coming in. See what the script is telling us, which is nice. DCA script, it did make a trigger wave. Now we're waiting for a root wave to happen. This is your trigger wave is smaller. You want your root wave to be bigger, so it might come up in here like this, and once it starts curling down, that's when I'm going to take the short, and we're going to ride her back down into the oversold area. Right now we are into overbought. We are past the 80. Just because we're in overbought doesn't mean that it's going to go down. Okay, it does not mean that. So get the script. Patreon group, 25 bucks a month. You're getting a script, you're getting signals, you're getting one-on-one with me anytime that you need it. You know, you can't beat it for that kind of price, and you'll get to learn these little tips and tricks here and be watching what to look for on these higher time frame charts. We got this nice bearish divergence here. If you would have caught the bottom of the divergence and went short, you'd have had a nice little drop there. You can kind of say that this was a root wave, trigger wave trade. That's about the same size. So even like this here, small wave, big wave, and you would have went down on the short. You don't want to trade it with the big wave then a small wave. I mean, it can work. You can scalp trade a little bit like that, but it's easier when you have the small wave in front, big wave, or small wave in back, big wave in front. So like down here, we had the small root wave. Now we got the big trigger wave, and the trigger wave is triggering, saying, hey, time to buy, or time to sell. In this case, down here on the bottom, root wave, trigger wave, you would have bought here. You'd have rode that wave up, all the way up, until you got to the top, and the wave called it perfect, called the top perfect. Then you would have either taken profit or entered into a short position. But I think we're gonna see some crazy moves here, guys, and hopefully it's up. I want to see it go up. I'd like to see all-time high again. I definitely want to get Litecoin back up there to the $150 area so I can get rid of it. I'm gonna take a look at Ethereum. ETH USD. Same thing with this, guys, as far as the 5021. We're getting the cross right now. The 21 is crossing over that 50-day moving average. So, you know, here's your signal, guys. Be watching for a nice breakout on Ethereum. Over in Crypto Mentors, Astro Park called some killer freaking trades on Ethereum. Called to break out. He called this one back here. He called this one right here to recent. I do believe he still is long on Ethereum right now, but he killed it. He called it exactly perfect. A couple of the bots picked it up perfect. So you gotta get in there and check us out. We got the DCA power tool up here, and you guys can see back here it printed a blue triangle. That means the EMA ribbon recovered. When the bands recover the EMA ribbon, all these little EMAs in here, these are 8 different EMAs. When they recover, that means volume's low, you know, things have slowed down. It's getting ready to burst. And when the bands burst out, volatile trading comes in, big volume comes in. We usually see a break to the upside or downside, but you definitely see a move on the recovery of the EMA ribbon. The DCA power tool script also caught the buy down here. What day was it? The 9th of October. So if you had this script right now, you would have went long here. These dots are just saying these are profit points right through here. And also the green dot is saying that the money flow wave went from green to red, and you can see that here. But money flow is red. It is curling back up to the 0, so it may turn green again. We will see. VWAP is above 0. That is good. We are not in the overbought area yet on Ethereum. We still got a little leg to go up. We're right around this 58 to 60 area. If we get up here to 80 area, that zone there, that is considered overbought. Again, guys, just because we get there and it prints a dot does not mean that it's time to sell and that it's going to go down. Because we could always have a whale come in. You know, you guys never know what's going to happen. That's why, you know, these scripts are never 100% accurate, obviously, or I wouldn't be here talking to you. I'd be in my mansion somewhere. But they're good enough. They're probably, you know, 70 to 75% on time. This script does not repaint, so you are not going to get a buy signal here and then Bitcoin take a crap and dump, and then you go back and look at your chart and all of a sudden that buy signal is gone and now it's printed a sell signal. It does not do that. If it prints it, it's going to stay there no matter what happens. You see back here on the 6th of July, called a buy. If you would have took that buy, you would have taken profit somewhere up in here around $416. So I mean, that's a hell of a jump from 230, 220 area. That would have been a really nice gain there. We got a buy here. Got you a pretty good one there. Caught a nice short. You know, the thing that the script can't do is it's not going to point out market manipulation. I did have it printing X's on there when market manipulation would happen, but it's so hard to say that it's market manipulation. Let's see here. If we can get broke through this area of resistance, because that's what we're hitting right now, around the $407 mark on Ethereum. You look left on your chart, we do have heavy resistance in there. Let's turn this script off. What other moving averages do we have? We don't have none other pulled up. I will show you the Alt Walker script from Astro Park. This thing's pretty damn accurate. It's pretty good. Back here is telling you to buy, and over here is telling you take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, showing you where your peak profit would be at. Caught the sell beautifully, showed you where your peak profit on your sell would be, and it did catch the buy perfectly. You guys, yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer. Why wouldn't you want a tool like this to help you? If I think I showed you guys last week all the scripts that we do offer. And again, we can make you anything custom. If you like using a certain indicator like an oscillator, or you like to use a volume indicator, anything of the sort, you know, we can make you on TradingView. And the best part is it's super cheap. We don't charge you an arm and a leg. You know, we're doing this for the blue collar people. So if you got $25 and that's what you want to spend, we'll make you a script for $25. It looks a little noisy right now, but that's because that's a lot of trading there on the daily time frame for Ethereum. We'll turn that off. This is called the Alt Walker, Astro Park Alt Walker. But again, guys, we have decent support at 377 area, and we got an area of resistance that starts at 406 and stops right around 550. That's going to be a tough area to break. If we can get through there, like I said, guys, back to all-time highs. There's really not much here on the Ethereum chart that's going to hold us up. Maybe right around 700, close to $800 area for Ethereum. Might get a little rocky, but it would be nice to break up above that, come back down and test it as support. I'm not saying it's going to happen right away, guys, but it is possible. It is showing it in the chart. So we shall see. Let's reset here. Oops. So it did pick up a nice bearish divergence back here. You would have went short at the the end of the divergence. Boom, caught it nice. Money flow wave is red on Ethereum. VWAP is above 0. That's the yellow wave. That's good. Money flow is starting to curl up towards the 0 mark. If we can get back above it, we will turn green. Looking for a bullish retest of the 21-day or 50-day moving average. That'd be right around the 360, 350 area. And then there's another decent area of support right around the 337. I don't think it'll go much lower than that, guys. It's always possible though that it could. It could always break all the way down to 280, 270, because that's a decent spot of support. You know, if you go on here and just mark out all of your areas, it's a lot easier to make your decision whenever you're trading. Take a look at the Litecoin. This is the pitchfork. When I was showing you guys how to use the pitchfork tool, you can see that it respected some of the lines pretty good. Just for giggles, let's move it around a little bit and see what happens. That's the shift. Here's the modified shift, and here's the inside, which none of those are gonna work right now. Here was the head and shoulders on the daily for Litecoin. Did get a big dump back down to $45 area. But again, guys, the 21-day moving average is crossing that 50-day moving average. So buckle up. It's time. You can see back here, every time that we crossed, we got nice moves. We got a nice move to the upside. Nice bullish retest back down to the 21. Validated as support. And boom, continuation, kept on going. You want to take these long positions. When it comes back down to that 21, go long. Put your stop right under the 21. Same with the 50. If it would break the 21, it's going to go to the 50 next. Odds are it's gonna respect the 50, and you can take a long position there as well. So when we're sitting on top of these two moving averages on a daily time frame, this is very important. Very bullish. Things are looking very good. And how we're trading this is, we're going to trade the pullbacks, you guys. If you're wanting to long right now, trade the bullish retest of them moving averages. I promise you, you will do good more than you will do bad, as long as you're getting the trade right at the moving average and you're putting your stop below it. You know, it doesn't work out all the time. The more times that moving average is tested, obviously the weaker it's going to get, and it's going to dump. Looking at the script, DCA oscillator showing that we did get into the over bought area. Almost barely just hit that 80. Printed the triangle. Did come down a little bit. You can scroll straight up and see that we did come back down. And there's not very much momentum here, guys. Look at that wave. That's a very small momentum wave, and you can see, it might be a little hard to see here. Let me see if I can stretch this out. You see how the money flow wave was green all through here, and then we dipped under 0 and it turned red. It was red for a split second, and then boom, right back to green. We had a very nice root wave, trigger wave play there. Same with back here, root wave, trigger wave here. Perfect. Another one here, root wave, trigger wave. That's exactly what you want to see on the oscillator. Like this trigger wave or root wave, trigger wave, boom, nice run up here. Same here. This was the root wave, this was the trigger wave. Got the nice run there. And you could follow this up. You could have rode it all the way up. You might have taken profit up here, and once this came back down and retested, go long. Here is a nice root trigger, and we had this nice run through here. Bottomed out at $41, topped out at $51.66. So it wouldn't surprise me to bounce off of this resistance here, because this is some heavy resistance we got going on through here for Litecoin, right around the $56 area. So it would be nice to see a nice retest of support. and support area starts anywhere from $50 down to the moving average is around $47. So anywhere in there, we get down there, guys, bust out a long. Again, not financial advice, not trying to get you wrecked or anything, but this is what I would do personally. This is what I would tell the Patreons to do. This is what we would tell the guys over in Crypto Mentors to do. Let's see, what should we chart next? Let's do Uni. And you know what? Let's do it to Bitcoin. I think there might be a little bit more info on it. Of course not. Check a 12-hour chart. Okay, so just from looking at this pattern right here, guys, we do have a nice little channel here, or you could say it's a pennant. There's several different ways we can draw this out. You could say something like this right here. And now wait for the breakout, boys and girls. Wait for the breakout. This is on a 12-hour chart. And we're at the end of the triangle, so it's very possible that we break out of here soon. You could see a spike up here to 0.00027 or up here to 0.00031. I would almost bet that we probably break through that 21-day or that 21 moving average right there, only because we have tested it so many times through here. So I would say jump up there to that 50 period moving average would be a good trade. We are way down into the oversold area. It did print a green triangle saying, hey, we hit the oversold area. This may be a potential bottom. So it is looking bullish right now, in my opinion, for Uniswap token. Get in there, buy it. It is still pretty cheap. It'd be nice to see it jump back up there to 0.0007. Let's look at the Doge. I look at Doge for Chris. I'll do this one. This would have been a nice trade too. If anybody was paying attention, drawing their lines, setting their charts up. This would have been a real nice breakout play. It stopped right around there, and as you can see, it's hitting that 50 and it's coming back. So we'll see. Let's get it onto the daily. So yeah, see, we are testing that 50-day. See what I'm talking about, guys? We get up here to that 50-day, I'd probably try to take a short right here. That 50-day moving average is also leading into heavy resistance. Look left on the chart, boom, bunch of resistance right here, resistance right here. If we was to break that, then it's going right back up here to 0.002. But my guess right now, it's going to hit that 50-day moving average, and I'd probably try to take a short unless Bitcoin keeps taking off. Bitcoin dominance right now is, you know, that it bottomed out, I do believe. I might have a chart on Bitcoin dominance still. Let's take a look. This might be it, I'm not sure. No, this is the US dollar I have on here. Let's see. And yeah, it came all the way down to that 50-day moving average, and it's popping back up. It's probably going to turn into a dragonfly doji. We will see. Looked like it capitulated all the way down, bounced off of that, and money flow is turning red. Look at all the green back here. Look at all that. So this is very exciting, guys. Very exciting. What's going to happen? The higher the Bitcoin dominance, the crappier the altcoins do. I said a few months ago that it looked like on the Bitcoin dominant chart that it was going to bottom out. So we may be seeing that now. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let's get off of that. Let's take a look at DGB. Bybit. They got a Coinbase. Yeah. And again, guys, it's so easy on these breakout trades. I mean, it's so easy. Especially ones like these. This was straight down. Get your horizontal line, shoot it straight across. Boom. Really, really nice breakout here. You could either draw this as a pennant or you could put a channel in there. Either way. Bybit looks bearish in my opinion right now on the daily. Looks like it hit that 50-day or got close to it and rejected. You can see the 21 is actually getting ready to cross under that 50. So in my opinion, this you know, it's catch-22 here, because we usually get the drops when these moving averages cross under like that. But if you're looking down here at the oscillator, we are way down there in the overbought or the oversold area. So again, it doesn't mean it's going to go up, but the chart is saying it was in the overbought. It's going to come up. It's going to come up. Or that's the oversold. I'm sorry. I'll always say it backwards. The oversold area. And it did. It got all the way down to 82.58. So, you know, it may come back up and test this again at the 0.02 and then drop. I don't know. I'd be watching this. I'd draw that pennant in there. You can do the pennant, or like I said, you could do channel. You can click your channel tool. Come down here like this. Boom, boom. Make a nice little channel in there. And then play the breakout. If it breaks out of the top of the channel, go long. If it breaks out of the bottom of the channel, go short. And these V patterns, guys, wow. I mean, you see these on Bitcoin a lot, like on the lower time frames. But anytime we get these V formations, whether it's like this one, or it's inverse and it's like this, anytime you see a V formation, it usually explodes to the upside or explodes to the downside. So them sharp V tops, keep an eye out for those. Alright guys, I have an appointment to go to at 6:30. It is almost 6 o'clock right now, so I have to go get ready. I'm sorry the video is so short. I have been running around like crazy. I got a new job, so my schedule is going to be changing around a little bit. I will give you guys more details on that at a later time whenever I know the details. But please guys, smash that like button. I hope you learned a little bit of something. Are we in a bull run or are we not? Please let me know in the comments down below what you think is going on. Where do you think the top of Bitcoin is going to go? And are you going to go buy Bitcoin on PayPal? I don't know if I'm going to or not. I might try it out just to see what it's like, but I don't think I'm going to be a heavy player in that, just because of the centralized part of it. But again, guys, get over to the Discords, get in there, join the Patreon, go over to Crypto Mentors. It's totally free right now till the end of the year. So if you guys want to see some signals, you know, you want something made for you, get in there, talk to us, message us, DM us, whatever you need to do. And we'll get right with you. And with that being said, guys, stay safe, happy trading, keep kicking ass, keep making those gains. I will see you in a couple hours at the premiere, and I will see you again on Friday for our Friday night live stream. I will be there this Friday. That's tomorrow. I will be there. I don't think anything is going on right now as far as my schedule. But alright guys, have a good night.